That's different.
Cool, isn't it?
That's a whole different.
That is different. Right guys, so welcome back to the channel. My name's Luke, this is LBTV, and yes, I've bought the cheapest stage 2 Megane RS250 in the country, all thanks to Alex. But first, we go see it, but look what Alex has turned up to pick us up in. Whoa. Pulls up in the freshie whip.
Filthy as fuck though.
As Alex rolls up in a GTR casual. This is
You'll have to
baller.
be fire extinguisher holder, you.
Mate, what you got a fire extinguisher chilling in there for? Nah mate, this is baller, this is proper nice.
When it's clean it is.
Sick. Mate, what power is this then?
920.
920? Mate, no wonder you don't want to go out in the wet.
I told you.
Mate.
920.
Oi, con, that's definitely a bit of you, that, isn't it?
This is a bit of me, mate.
Oh, mate, that's savage.
Hey, sounds fucking crazy
already. Mate, these are proper nice cars, you know. So you just said the gearbox was better than your other one as well, isn't it?
Yeah. Yesterday.
Mate, he's not, well, you lot, he hasn't got just one. I just thought it's cool as fuck to have one GTR. He's got two. Yesterday waxed on his Instagram, yeah, one box is gone. Guess what, it's right there, because I got another one just sat right here. Yeah, that's savage, isn't it?
I mean,
Fuck,
can't get no
it's
power
like
down.
a full-wheel drive drifting whilst
Yeah,
going flat out straight. That is
crazy.
savage, that is.
Oh, stupid man.
Con
That's
didn't know which way he was going then, did you, Con? Con thought he was back in the Premier Inn still.
That road was greasy.
Yeah, that
now.
was greasy. Shit.
Mate, that's incredible.
This
Mate, this is gonna be like a car pickup video there, but I think we're just gonna spend the whole time talking about the GTR. Fuck it. Oh, don't worry about all that. Don't worry about the Megane. We'll just bin that off for the day. Just worry about this GTR we got. I think me and Con are just fanboying too much because we just love this shit.
Mate, this is fucking crazy.
Chris is gonna watch this. Chris, I'll tell you now, you need to buy one of these. Bin the M3 off.
This is
Like, there's no
crazy.
need for it.
This is different.
There's no need for an M3 after you've been in this.
A few moments later.
That 500 is about to get dusted. You don't even know what's gonna happen. That's how a stupid
That
pickup.
grip's a bit better than
Yeah, that pickup is stupid.
kind of easy.
What sort of, have you had done little 60s in this yet?
Nah, I'm not gonna.
Have you not? Mate, that's
launched it.
definitely got to be like mid 2.5, isn't it? Savage. That's some fucking sick brakes on that as well.
Oh, the brakes is sick.
Mate, that's different.
cool, innit?
That's a whole different.
That is different, man. Mate, that is just. Mate, even looking from here, that shot is just like wow.
There's nothing else.
Mate, that lined up, but I tell you now, that is naughty. Okay, so yeah, we've been out on Alex's GTR, absolutely sound, but now we're moving on to the car picked up. So I'm classed this as the cheapest RS250, that's stage 2 in the UK. It's mad, it definitely looks really cool. There's a few bits that need doing, but we'll get into that later on in the video. But for now, here is the new car. So yeah, there it is. It's extremely windy and I apologise for that, but I had to go get him again. You knew it was happening, you knew it was coming, I'm sure a lot of you did. But I love a project and I had to go find the cheapest one. So I got Alex over there, we'll get on camera in a second, who owns performance only cars, and we'll have a little chat about everything. Okay, so here's Alex over here. You might have seen him before, he might be a familiar face because Alex actually used to do YouTube and he's quite big in the Megane game. So yeah, Alex owns performance only cars. Don't worry, he's not sold me this as like a retail car because I know full well Alex would never ever do that. I said to Alex, I was like, look, I want a cheap project car, and to be fair, he had something come up and I couldn't miss it. So I said to him, look, he's like, Luke, some bits need doing, etc. I want to get it done. I was like, mate, don't worry, I love it, at whatever price, and I'll get all the bits done myself, and that's exactly what's happened. So I've come here today to Manchester, picked the car up, and yeah, here's the start of another project. What we're going to say about that, eh? It's going to be sweet. I'm going to spend a lot of money on this car. I love the Clio build, as you guys know, but obviously that car's gone now, so we're moving on to the Megane, which is going to be sweet. But I think it's probably just better that we just quickly talk about Alex and his business.
They're always doing that.
They're doing that. So yeah, Alex does a lot of Meganes. He's currently got this GTR as well, which is for sale, by the way. If any of you are interested in buying this, is it on your website, Alex?
Nah,
That's not.
Personal car, innit?
Yeah, personal car. So if you want to get in touch with Alex, it is for sale. So you can grab that. 900 and what?
920.
920 brake horsepower. How can you not want that? Like mate, I've just had a great time and I've only been in it for 5 minutes. But yeah, that's for sale. Alex got loads of Meganes around there as well, and a load of them lined up here also as well. So Megane specialist for sure, but is there anything else you like to specialise in? Just like track cars and that, really, isn't it? Yeah.
Meganes.
Yeah, he's super cool.
Hopefully soon.
Me and Con are always watching the page, aren't we?
Yeah, mate.
Mate, we're honestly constantly watching the page. I think it was mainly down to Alex, really, the reason why I wanted a Megane. I was seeing them all the time for sale, and I was like, Christ, this guy's got some sexy stock. And Alex actually used to own a clothing brand I used to wear. It's a small world, I'm telling you now, it's mad. He popped up the other day, he like replied to one of my old boxing training clips, and he's like, is that a Transpirity? I was like, yes it is. So yeah, now Alex is a sound guy. If you need any help with anything in the future regarding Meganes, or if you want to get a Megane sourced or any other sort of track car, hit him up, check him out. Performance only cars, definitely a sound guy, and he's so comfortable and so chill as well. He came and picked me up this morning. I think you do offer a service like that. You do.
Yeah,
he picks everyone up if they're buying a car. Yeah, pick them up in a GTR. How's that, eh?
If you buy a car, you get a ride in a GTR.
You get a ride in a GTR. How sick's that? That is a selling point. So what we're gonna do now? Me and Con are gonna head home. I've got a few bits to do. It's Mother's Day as well, so we're gonna get clapped if we don't get home to our mums. They're gonna absolutely, yeah, Con's mum's already gonna be on the blower. But yeah, guys, honestly, if you haven't checked him out already, Performance Only Cars on Facebook, on Instagram, and he has got a website as well. So check him out. Massive thanks to Alex for sourcing me this car. It's gonna be sweet. I'm gonna keep him updated with the build anyway, and he'll watch the clips and everything with Alex. So it'll be a good bit of fun. Before I go, I'll quickly walk around the car because I haven't even shown you the car, and I'll tell you the bits actually wrong with it. So, Evo course wheels. Alex hooked me up with them again. To be fair, you know what? I've even bought a load of parts off Alex before even starting to do the build. Like I haven't even started yet, and I've already bought a load of bits. So we've got a Sparco rev seat. We've got a Pure Motor. Is it Pure Motorsport or Supreme? Oh yeah, it's like Supreme Motorsport. It's Pure Motorsport, but we've got a Pure Track. That's it. Pure Track extinguisher holder with an extinguisher and the bucket seat. So I'm probably gonna have one bucket seat in this car, like the Clio, because it's just going to be a pure dedicated track car for the weekends, etc. So we've got Evo course wheels with Pilot Cup 2s on, which are nice. I'm probably going to keep those tyres on. I will get another set as well for like slicks, so probably AR1s or R888Rs or something like that. RS59 Cup number plate, which is sweet. As you can see, the arch trims are missing, which is why, you know, everything's reflected in the price. And I said I'd get it done myself, which is not a problem. I tried getting Alex to do it, but he's been very busy. And to be fair, he's like, Luke, stop being a lazy twat. And I was like, yeah, to be fair, I'm a bit of a lazy fuck and everything like that. But yeah, it's so nice. The best part of these cars, I think, is the back end. I don't know about you lot, but mate, the back ends on these are savage. They're so sick. So yeah, it needs the arch trims doing. It needs a CV joint and a ball joint done. And it's got a bit of a battery drain. But like I said, it all reflects on the price, and it's good bits that we can get done on the channel to show you lot. But for now, let's head home, and I'll let Alex get on with his day, and me and Connor can crack on. So, we're in the Megane. Yeah, boy. We've got the seat and everything in the back. So we've picked up a Sparco rev seat, and we've got the extinguisher as well, the Pure Track extinguisher holder. And also, as you can see, the arches are in the back as well, ready to go on. We've got the RS gauge, which is sweet, we just checked out. I was doing tax, and we're literally about to see what it takes to get home. So I'm going to quickly type in Plymouth, because we are miles away. Let's have a little look here. Oh mate, it's coming up nearly 5 hours. That is a lot more, 295 miles.
Oh mate, let's get a fucking shift on.
That is not good.
We need to leave
We
now.
need to leave right now. Right, let's get it. Right, sick. So yeah, it feels mad to be back in a good rental. It's our first time I've like bought a boosted one, so everything else has been naturally aspirated, you know. I've had a few Clios recently as well, if you've been following my Instagram and everything. Another guy that's got one of these is Malcolm from Just Being Hayden. He's got a sport yellow, I think they call it, and a sport yellow, the flat yellow.
Oh yeah,
yeah, sport yellow, which is really nice. ATS GTR, stage 2. So the good thing about this, yeah, it's already stage 2. It's a very good base. We've got a few little niggly bits, as you can tell, it's being a rental. It's got a few squeaks going on. This is the RS gauge up here, which I was telling you about. So at the minute, we can change it between, change it between a few things like that, lap times, optimal gearing, G-force, etc., which is sweet, so we'll keep it on that. And then the good thing as well, I think it's mapped, I'm pretty sure it's mapped by EF5. It's running some torque, isn't it?
Some torque.
Some torque, and it's like 340 or 338 brake horsepower, I think it was. And the cool thing about it, right, is that it's on a switch. It's on the ESP switch down here. So if we was to take this out and that, because it's coming out with a braking system fault, which is shot.
Don't you worry about that.
So we're in sport mode right now, and it's just instantly straight away, the throttle response is mental. So if we drop a gear, it actually picks up like really. It's like pretty mad.
It sounds crazy too.
Yeah, it does sound pretty mad. Like drop the gear again. Like feel that bit. It wants to pull you, doesn't it?
It does.
It is mad. So yeah, that's what it's like. We're having a good drive home. We're gonna really enjoy it. I'm loving it. I paid, for those of you who don't know, I paid £5.5 grand for this, which is cheap, isn't it, God?
Like,
cheep. Like I said,
cheapest Megane
yeah,
on the
massive
market,
thanks
like.
Alex for sorting us out, just sourcing me this in. Like I said, Alex would not retail anything like this. He's got some mega cars. Like me and Con always stalk his page, don't we? Like 24/7. He's got some cool shit that comes up. But yeah, the new project is here. We're going full whack. I'm probably gonna spend about 10 to 15 grand. I've got loads of things lined up I want to do. I'm doing proper suspension this time, so I'm spending like 2-3 grand on suspension. We're going all out, and this is gonna be a mega track car. I know, again, hopefully this is a bit more better to watch than the Clio. A lot of you didn't like the Clio, but I'm into so much track stuff now, and I want to get you guys into it as well. It's just safe as well. We can go out racing on track without causing any issues on the road, because I know what most of us are like. We like a good burn up on the road now and then.
Yeah,
but yeah, sick. Bucket seats in the back. Arches and no, I think they've seen it. We showed them a minute ago. Yeah.
Oh, it's not focusing.
You can't really see it.
Yeah, it's dark back there. It's got a cheeky
ZPO shifter as well. It's cool, isn't it?
It's sweet.
It's sweet. So yeah, big plans for this. We're going to stop off in a bit to grab some food or a drink quickly, so I'll do a little bit more of a walk around then before we shoot off. Oh, I'm on the wrong lane here, aren't I?
No, you're right.
Oh, I am alright, yeah.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, we'll do that, and then I'll catch up with you guys in a bit, so sick. Right, you lot, so we've made it back from the long old journey. Manchester was mad. Alex has been sound, honest. To go out on his GTR this morning getting picked up, but then to go down to get my new car, water service. Like I said, this isn't something he would retail, like it genuinely isn't. So don't go over to the site and think you're gonna see shit like this, because you won't. You'll see proper built good stuff. I just wanted this car because it was really cheap and Alex sourced it for me. So one thing I want to discuss, because as you know, well yeah, there is a lot of things up with this car, which I've already addressed. Well, not a lot, it's easily achievable to get done. But one main thing I want to talk to you guys about is the mod list. I want to show you why this is such a bargain as well. It's the cheapest, probably cheapest stage 2 in the country, right? Well, I'm going to say it is the cheapest stage 2 in the country. It's 108,000 miles. Don't get me wrong, it is a bit high mileage, but it's a track car. It's going to be a project car, lads. We're going to go smashing it around, you know, having a mad time. We're going to do what we do. We're going to spend a lot more money on this one and go proper. So let me just whack out the spec list and tell you all about that. Okay, so let's go through this list, because there's a hefty list. I probably won't go through everything, and as well, it's got a lot of paperwork, which is good for this. I've had it before. I spent a lot of money, although it got pulled by the police once, I think, and the car got seized. So I found that in there earlier. So cheers for that, Alex. But don't worry, it's not like stolen or anything like that. It's HPR clear. So factory LSD, which is pretty insane. Like, whoever's got one of these, I'm sure Aidan will say as well, you'll think something's broke. If you're doing like a turn circle really slow, it is like it's wheel hopping like a welded diff. It is unbelievable. So, engine, 3-inch K-Tech decal, we've got a non-res Miltech catback exhaust, AirTech stage 2, intercooler, ITG induction kit, so they're really good. You can get like a, I think it's from, I can't remember, like Pure Motorsport or something. Somebody makes like a intake that actually goes through the bumper and up into the ITG induction kit, which is good. Got Icon boost hoses, forged blow off valve. The receipt was in there for that. So actually made by EF5, 338 brake horsepower with 360 foot-pounds, which is mental, and I could feel that on the way home. I'm not even joking. It was sweet. It was awesome. Absolutely incredible to drive on the way home. I've had a good time. Time belts, gearbox, clutch and flywheel done at Renault, which it was in the receipts at 80,000 miles, which is sweet. Although I have just noticed something, if I put it into first gear, I'll show you quickly actually. Somebody tell me in the comments what this is. I'm not bothered that it's happened, but if I'm in first gear, right, let me just flip this around. If I'm in first gear, so I'm about to go into first gear. I don't do it now, but it's a Doesn't do it now. But it's sort of made like a clunk when you go into first. So you take it out and put it in. Take out gear neutral and put it in first with the clutch down, and it's all clunk. So don't really know about that. Anyway, handling, it's got grams there and springs. It's got the 20mm spacers. I don't know if they're actually on still. I think they must be on because they come out a fair bit. Obviously we've got the Evo course wheels with Pilot Cup 2s, Vibrotechnics gearbox mount stabilizer. It's got Ferrero DS 2500 front pads, which is good. Interior 0.1 shifter, as you know, and then just like some gloss black bits which are inside it, which look pretty nice. Exterior, got Team Hecko window deflectors, black headlight inserts. It hasn't got black headlight inserts, I know that, because it's got the silver ones. But yeah, you know, we got the arches in the back. There's a fair few bits I want to get done. There's a crazy, not crazy, but there's a cool colour I want to go to the car, and I kind of want to get it painted. I don't want to get it wrapped, so I don't know what to do. But anyway guys, I'm going to stop babbling on because you don't want to see any of that. You want to see the stuff get done, and that's what I'm going to start doing with this car a lot more. I'm going to get hands on now. So yeah, one thing I'm probably not going to do is the clips and the wings, because I'm not good aesthetically, is that how you say it, with the exterior stuff. But I can definitely get hands on, and I want to again for you guys, because I think you're missing that aspect of the videos where I don't get involved with the car as much, and you want to see that. So screw it, I'm going to do it with this one, and we're just going to go full bore. We need to strip it out, get the seat in straight away, and get that extinguisher done, and we can just crack on. It's good that I've got a really, really good base for stage 2 already. It just means we can strip the whole thing out, get a cage in, and maybe even forge it, go big turbos. Let me know. I want to spend about 10-15 grand on this. So let me know in the comments down below on mods I should get that I haven't already got on this car as it is now. And we'll go from there, people. Let's just crack on, mate. It's a crazy build, and let's have a good time. And if you haven't already, go and buy a Renault. Clio, Megane, do it. Honest, I'm having the best time ever. This thing absolutely shifts, and the diff in it is incredible. Anyway guys, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoy the new car. If you do, leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you're new. You can also click the notification button to turn on notifications for every single time I upload. It's always handy for knowing when I am going to upload. But anyway guys, thanks for watching today's video. I'll see you on the next one. Also check out my social media links in the description down below, and I'll see you very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.